Hello friends, I hope you all are good. Today I give you the information about UAE weather. The UAE carried out 27 cloud seeding missions within 5 days, resulting in increased rainfall in the country last week. According to authorities from the country's meteorological department, the recorded rainfall from last week is equivalent to the rain received by the UAE 3 decades ago. The country was flooded last week after sudden clouds poured heavily, with employees being asked to work from home and schools switching to remote learning. In an interview, a senior official emphasized the crucial role of cloud seeding in enhancing rainfall, despite an initial dry winter spell. Dr. Ahmed Habib, a climate expert from the National Center of Meteorology (NCM), said, "We conducted 27 cloud seeding operations between February 11 to 15, targeting clouds with favorable conditions, characterized by strong updrafts and high humidity. These missions aim to enhance rainfall in the country." The eastern part of the country received 317 millimeters of rainfall in 1988, he said, adding that this year, the Al Gharf station recorded a maximum of 224.1 millimeters of rainfall. The nation's efforts in cloud seeding result in a yearly minimum increase of 15% in rainfall. This leads to generating a usable water supply ranging from 84 to 419 million cubic meters through these seeding operations. It's worth noting that a few months ago in December 2023, the UAE experienced lower amounts of rainfall, making it a drier winter compared to previous years during the same month. Although the country had encountered precipitation, it was not as intense as the heavy rains witnessed in previous years. Officials from NCM had then highlighted that last December, the average rainfall had been less than in preceding years due to the system pressure influencing both surface and upper layers throughout the country, explaining the natural causes apart from cloud seeding operations that led to the recent heavy downpour. Habib elaborated that in the previous week, the region experienced the influence of a low-pressure system originating from the Arabian Sea. He said, "This was accompanied by a humid air mass affecting the surface layer. Additionally, there was an extension of low pressure originating from the Middle East, moving from the northwest, and associated with a cold air mass in the upper layer. This resulted in the development of convective clouds above the UAE, persisting for a span of 2 to 3 days. The phenomenon initiated in the western part of the country and progressed gradually eastward. Given the presence of mountainous terrain in the east, more convective clouds formed, leading to substantial rainfall in that region. While the entire country felt the impact, the eastern region, including Fujairah, Kalba, and Al An areas, was particularly affected. Additionally, these areas encountered hailstorms. Even Abu Dhabi experienced intense rainfall and thunderstorms.